On this episode of Trekking Through,
Freight Train and Pickles hike through Shenandoah National Park. They walk past breathtaking viewpoints and resupply at the camp stores in the park. On the 3rd and 4th of July, they camp next to cliff edges with amazing views of the sunset and countless fireworks shows flickering across the landscape.
Good morning. We're sitting here finishing up packing. It was pouring rain on and off all night. We didn't really sleep too great. Pickles has actually had a little bit of a flare-up over hives last night. But they're mostly feeling better today, so we are gonna get hiking. It's getting a little late. We've just been kind of letting the rain pass and getting a slow morning today, but we're gonna get going. We're doing 16 miles to get to a campground where we can resupply and they have showers and stuff. Since we're in the national park, they have a lot of campgrounds and services and stuff in here. It's pretty, I guess it's pretty touristy, although not on the trails we've been in so far. We've hardly seen a single person. This is the trail right here that we're camped like 20 feet away from. And we've only seen like one person pass all morning, so.
What do you mean, whatever? I don't know if it's hives or poison ivy, but it's mainly all over my fingers.
And your legs. Not anymore.
Mostly my fingers.
Really? Alright, we're heading on the trail.
Mm-hmm. Nice late start.
Late start. Just crossed this road. And look at this. Someone left some water bottles. This might have been Odie and Player One and No Rush and Three Stripe and Oakley. Yeah, but we're on like a 10-mile stretch right now that doesn't have any water. So we have a lot that we're carrying, but we're just gonna chug one of these right now so that we don't get dehydrated. Gotta keep drinking. We just had a little break and I ate like a pound of gummy worms and he had a bunch of Fritos.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, we've hiked like 5 miles. The times go up. This is Blackrock, is what it's called. Big rock pile.
It's a big rock pile.
Yep.
How did this happen?
I don't know. We're just gotta take in this view. It's supposed to rain tonight, but it doesn't look like it.
Past us.
It passed us?
It's supposed to rain at 5 according to this morning's weather, but no, it's gonna stay mostly clear.
Heck yeah.
For the next couple days.
Sweet. This is just such a beautiful view though. Just taking it all in. This is pretty much the only view we've had today, so it's been pretty easy hiking today. Just a nice trail and stuff. Stayed dry. It's a good day. But this is the gem. This is it.
This is it.
This is it. So we're gonna chill here for a little while. All right. Well, it's always hard to leave places like this. Not just because of the rocky terrain because it's so beautiful. But gotta get hiking. We need more water.
Here he is. He just threw out our trash, and now he's filling up a little more water. And then we're gonna hike a mile and a half at the most. We'll see. Get to camp before dark. Thanks.
More water.
More water.
Alright, found this little spot. This is perfect. Nobody here. Not bad.
Not bad.
Alright, we're all set up, cooking our food, making some mac and cheese Velveeta pasta. It's gonna be good. We're all set up in there. Whoa, you can't see through there at all. Look at this. Check this out. Our little home. Our sleeping bags zipped together. It's gonna be nice and cozy.
I still have my boots off.
Yeah, what the heck are you doing? This campsite is right past the Big Run Loop Trail. It's like mile 888.8.
80 is my favorite number.
Good morning. We just woke up at our little tent site here, and we are about to hike about 3 miles to the Loft Mountain camp store, where we're going to pick up some more food for the next couple days, and I don't know who else, and I don't know what they have. We'll see. And then we're going to keep hiking on. The plan is to do like 18 miles today to get to Hightop Mountain, where we can watch the sunset and camp up near there. So that's the plan. Looks like a really cool spot. There's going to be some good views today. Just a lot of up and down all day. But if it's as easy as yesterday was, then I'm not too worried about it. Should be cool. It's beautiful here, really peaceful morning. The wind's blowing really, but it doesn't look like it's going to be rainy or anything.
No, it's supposed to be clear.
It's supposed to be beautiful. So packing up our stuff. Kiki does all her packing from inside her sleeping bag. It's kind of chilly this morning, honestly. Whew, gotta bundle up while you're packing. I got my pants on. I haven't worn those in a little while. It's a beautiful morning though. I'm so glad it's not rainy and gross.
Oh, me too.
It sucks when it's rainy and gross when you're going through something so cool.
Yeah.
Like Shenandoah's. There's so many viewpoints today I want to be able to stop and just hang out at.
Nice.
Wow. Whoa. Oh, this is the amphitheater. We should get married here, babe. Everyone drinks from it. Alright, we're coming up to the camp store. Loft Mountain Camp Store. We got some food. I think it's right about time for beer. 10:30 in the morning.
What kind of beer?
Shenandoah National Park beer.
That's cool. What's that? Oh, you got a sandwich?
Yeah, chicken sandwich.
Nice buffalo chicken.
Little baby deer.
Don't run into the road.
Let's see what we got. What are we working with? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, that's nice. Oh my God. 4 stars.
Yeah.
4-star view. 9-star wind. Wow. It's so windy up here. Oh, there we go.
Wait for a gust.
And we got another one. And another view. Gotta grab my hat again. Oof, look at this. This is awesome. Glad we didn't fill up at that mud puddle.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so awesome. Yeah, we gotta fill up some water here.
Got my chocolate milk chilling. Soaking my feet at this sweet little water site. And I thought what would go well with my chocolate milk is, okay, so just know that this is by far my favorite protein bar out there. It just tastes so good, and it only has, like, you know, very few ingredients, and I just I love it. I'll eat 4 of these a day. Like, I pack 4 of them to eat every day. And for the first time, I found this one, strawberry chocolate chip. So I'm really excited to see how this tastes.
Oh yeah, we got an overlook.
We just got some awesome trail magic on the trail. Guy's dragging a cooler. He's talking about all the drinks he has. And they're making bacon burgers tonight. He told us that there's fireworks on, if we get to the top of Hightop Mountain, then we should be able to see fireworks.
Walking down the trail.
And we hit 900 miles.
Is that you say?
900 miles.
Pretty sick. Crazy.
It's nothing.
Nice tree. Yeah. Yeah, sit for a minute. I don't know what's wrong with it.
We don't know if something's wrong with it.
His face.
I don't want to assume something's wrong with it just because it's moving like that.
I think something's wrong with it. We're coming up to the top of Hightop Mountain. We've been racing up here to try to catch the sunset. And we're about to get there. Perfect timing. Looking nice. Look, right there.
Bunch. Like one right there. Two somewhere.
Look behind you.
What,
Right there.
Here?
Yeah, that's the one right there. You can literally watch the sunset from here. So that's the view. Well, you want to set up? All right.
Yeah.
See anything?
No.
Let's keep going a little farther, maybe. Oh, we just made it to this cool little stealth spot. There's the trail over there. Oh, we're like right next to that viewpoint, so we're gonna go watch the sunset here on top of Hightop Mountain. The guy who gave us trail magic earlier told us about a fireworks show tonight that was off to the west, which is the direction that this view is facing. So around 10 o'clock, we should be treated to a bit of a show.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Today's July 3rd, so.
You think we'll go and make dinner out there?
Yeah, we'll probably cook dinner and watch the sunset. So we'll get our tent set up and then head over there and do that.
Front row seat.
Perfect. It's starting to get pretty dark. We're eating our delicious dinner. Waiting for this fireworks show to go down. Some fireworks going.
Oh wow, they're lighting a lot up. First of the night.
Good morning.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, happy 4th of July. We just woke up, packed up our stuff up here near Hightop. Last night was magical. We got to see all of these
Fireworks
let me start
everywhere.
again.
I just put a flag on my backpack.
Yep.
Trasher gave it to me.
Trasher gave us them, yeah. So yeah, we saw a ton of fireworks shows from the viewpoint last night. Maybe 50 fireworks shows. It was crazy. They were just all over, peppering the whole landscape and
But there was
stuff.
so little. You had to really look. Yeah. Is that a blinking light or firework?
Yeah, they were everywhere.
It's probably
though.
firework.
It was so cool. Yeah, it was a really magical night. So we hung out there for a while, and then we just came to sleep. Today we are just doing a little shorter day, like 13 miles. We're gonna stop at a camp store again and get some more food. So maybe shower. That would be nice. It's been a couple days. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna get to another place hopefully tonight to watch another sunset, because that's the best.
Some more fireworks.
Yeah, probably more fireworks too. Yeah. All right. We're gonna go check out the view again before we head out. And my hips are sore. Yep. Still good. It's so much less windy here than it was last night. Some cool rocks here in day hiker hell.
Right. Or like Chicago, they call it.
Great.
Oh, we're definitely near a parking lot.
So many people are walking side by side.
Crossing the highway. Big empty highway.
Hey,
Hello.
how'd you get so tall?
I'm tall. Oh, we're coming up on picnic area. Gonna have some nice snack if it isn't mobbed. So we just finished snacking up here. We're getting to get back on the trail. But we realized that these water spigots aren't running, so now we have no water. Well, we have 1 liter.
We're too shy to ask the 100 of picnickers if we can have one of their drinks.
Yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna, it's like 3.5 miles to the next water source over one mountain, so we'll be fine.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go do it. We'll be done in an hour, I bet.
Yeah, and we're late because we have no water.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
What happened?
Well, I just kicked your pole into my other foot.
It seems like I put my pole into your ankle.
It's really, your pole went like between my feet while they were apart,
okay, that's
you know? And then those are beautiful dogs.
There's no water up there.
No water?
No water.
Just a bunch of tourists.
Trash cans.
Yeah.
Oh, I need that.
Right up to the right. So there's like a dumpster. How many fireworks are we gonna see tonight? Worth it for the wind alone. And so big.
You're like, oh, that's nice.
Oh, jeez. Little side trail takes us to the campground where the store is, I think. So we're leaving the camp store.
Yep. How much farther do we have?
Just like 2 miles
Cool.
to get to the top of Bearfence. We're gonna catch another sweet sunset, hopefully. It just had we were about to leave under the porch and there was a sudden downpour that just came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
But
And then Brian was like, okay, I think we're good to go. And I'm like,
and then it downpoured again. And so now hopefully we're good.
yeah.
Some pretty dark clouds up there, but oh well.
Magical because, like, people reason.
just walked right past this deer. Kiki's literally still walking. She's talking to me. She thinks I'm listening to her. Hey, buddy. We literally just walked right by him. What's up? You're a little guy. You got your little horns growing. All right, see you, dear. Bye. Bye. All right. Go catch up with Pickles. Racing up for another sunset again. Should be a good one tonight. To the right, maybe? Yeah, that looks like it. Look at this sweet little campsite we just found. Up here, there's another overlook of like 100 feet down the trail. That's all clear view. We're gonna watch the sunset. It's getting real pink. We gotta get over there. But yeah, we hiked in. This is Bearfence overlook. And it's gonna be a nice 4th of July. Fourth of July. Making some shepherd's pie. It's gonna be good. Oh, another magical night on the trail. It's just surreal to be out here. Look at that color. Oh, that's the pinkest sunset I've ever seen. This is unbelievable.
It looks
That's
white
crazy.
on the video, but in real life, it's
Dark red.
yeah. We got a lot more fireworks going on now.
Yeah, wow.
I'll try to zoom in, but we'll see.
It's like a dozen.
These are the farthest ones away. The whole city is twinkling because of, I don't know, atmosphere. There's a...
Some good ones. There's thunder over here coming in on us with some rain clouds, so we're gonna probably go to sleep. Oh, we gotta close. It's raining now. Kiki, I'm making a freaking video. I'm not talking to you. It is raining, but we are in our tent.
It wasn't just raining, it was a huge thunderstorm and lightning. Clouds were just really pretty mega huge, and they were coming in.
Coming in fast.
I'm honestly kind of nervous right now, but now that we're in our tent, we're pretty covered by trees.
Yeah, we'll be okay.
Should be fine.
Yeah.
Ew, look at all these moths. Their eyes glow red. Look at, you see? And that one has big red eyes.
Oh, that's a big moth. Look at that one. Yep. It's raining pretty good.